Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be testing out this modelones nail art foil gel set. And it comes with 2 bottles of foil gel along with 2 packs of 10 different foils. So it comes in this cute little container, which is really handy to keep organized. And here are like holographic and clear nail foils. Today we're going to be doing a like Christmas design. So I believe this one is snowflakes. I'll take them out later and I'll show you how long they are. But just wanted to give you a little preview. Let's see if it will focus. There we go. Of what the foils look like. And maybe we can pull them all out, but I think it will be really messy. This one you can tell what they are already, right? Very cute. Oh, I also forgot it came with some stickers as well that are still in the box. So this is what the box looks like. Nail art foil stickers set. Let me just open this up. I bought this on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. So this is what is in the box. Just a little card. Here are the stickers. I believe it's a 10-pack of like flame stickers. These are all just flame stickers. And yeah. We'll probably get into those in another video, and just like a little pamphlet of instructions, I believe. Okay, so I already have my press-on nails on my nail stand. If you haven't seen these, I bought these off Amazon, and I'm using Gorilla Glue mounting putty underneath. I did notice that on one of my stands, when I left the putty on, I don't know if it's too strong of a putty, it pulled off some of the chrome paint. But it's okay because it's just on the part that I cover anyways. But I just wanted to let you guys know that that is what happened with one of my sets of practice nail holders. But yes, so these are... Shoot, I forgot what brand they are, but I will put the link down below. These are full cover coffin press-on nails by, I can't remember. Okay, it's really early in the morning. But anyways, I have these ready. I believe I found a snowflake foil in here that I want to test out. So let's take that out and I'll show you what that looks like. Oops, excuse the noise. My son is playing with his cars and making a lot of noise. Okay, so here is the nail foil. Let's see, we can just zoom in so you can see the snowflakes. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, imagine trying to hand paint these. Oh, disclaimer, I have already tested out nail foils from I actually bought 200 nail foils in a pack off Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description as well. But this is a nail foil from there. And yeah, it's so cool, this whole foil gel concept. Okay, baby. And yeah, just saves a lot of work. Imagine trying to like dot each one of these snowflakes on. Like, no. Question is, what kind of design should we do? I was thinking about just putting these snowflakes on the clear nail. Let's see if that would look good. I think it would. I don't see why it wouldn't. But is it too plain, is what I'm thinking. Maybe I'll put like, you know what? I have an idea. I'm gonna do a Holo glitter background on the backs of here. And then I'm gonna do the nail foil snowflake on top. So, what you're gonna wanna do first is actually to prep the press-ons. And you're gonna want to just lightly buff the surface. And I'm just putting this back in at the moment. You're gonna want to lightly buff the surface and then use alcohol to wipe it off. So I'm going to just do that really quickly off camera so I don't get my little black velvet liner dirty. Okay, so I'm taking Model 1 Super Glitter Gel Pot. This is what it looks like. It has like hollow, chunky glitter in there. And I'm just going to base coat all my nails with it. Let's pretend like I prepped them. I kind of got lazy and distracted and I just didn't do it. But that's because I also, like, the gel doesn't peel for me for some reason when I do it. But if you're selling it to a customer or doing it for someone else, definitely buff and prep your nails. But yeah, I'm also not buffing the free edge at this moment because I will be cutting it down later after I put it on my hand. So I'm going to take this, and in this kit here that I will link down below also, I'm not sure if I posted the review on this kit yet or not, but stay tuned if it's not up yet, and if it is up, I'll put the link in the iCard. But it comes with this cute little gel brush. You just pull it out and then it becomes a full-size gel brush, which I think I won't need the cap since it hits my camera. Okay, so there's the gel brush. Just gonna stir this in a little bit, even though it's gonna make a huge mess on my brush. Just want to stir. I'm just going to scrape the excess. And then we can start painting. Okay. So it's kind of mostly clear. But it's okay. I'm going to do probably 3 thin layers. Sorry about with not in frame. I'm going to do 3 thin layers. Why is it not focusing? Focus, focus, focus. Okay, so I'll do 3 thinnish layers. Oh, my nail starts up here. I kind of just am painting by feel because I can't see the nail. And then with press-on nails as well, you're going to want to brush like from the middle to the top. And then from the top to the free edge. That way you don't get buildup over under here. Okay, so I'm just going to paint these, and in between each coat I will be curing, and I'll be back after I'm done doing all 3 layers. Okay, so here are the nails after 2 coats. I got lazy, I just did 2 coats. I think it looks fine. The camera is not picking up how sparkly and glittery it is. It just looks kind of like muddy and blurry, but it's definitely like super sparkly. Let's see if I can get a detailed view here. And I like that there's still a little bit of clear peeking through. And again, I will be cutting down the free edge, so don't worry about anything sticking out there. Now I'm going to add my Model 1's nail foil glue gel, and I'm going to just put a very thin layer on all the nails. Okay, so I feel like that did not work out really well. It didn't transfer great because I probably didn't press it very well. And yeah, and the thing is you can't even see it on here. I think you need to do that with a darker background. But let me find a different foil and see if we can salvage this set. Okay, so I ended up having to actually file down the nails because I applied the glitter gel really lumpy and I didn't realize until I felt the nail. So I also buffed off that original nail foil that we just did earlier because it didn't really show up and I didn't transfer very well. So now I'm just going to clean the nails with some isopropyl alcohol, and then I will top coat it this time, and then I will put on the sticky layer of the gel. Okay, so my nails are all wiped down. Okay, so I chose this black nail foil, black and clear. Looks like, what, flower designs, filigree? And I'm just gonna put this on the nail. Okay, here's the finished set. There we go. And I just put foils on the thumb and the ring finger for this hand. And then on my other hand, I've already glued on, not glued, but I adhered it on this side. So this one's a little bit more fancy. This one has foils on all fingers in different patterns. So this one's kind of like a diagonal pointer finger. And then the ring finger has a jewel and it's like a half foil, kind of, or 2/3 foil, and the rest are all foil. Yeah, I think it came up pretty well. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. But yep, I'm going to put on this other hand and then I'll show you the final reveal. Okay guys, here are the finished nails. I kind of messed up on this jewel over here, And I got gel on top, so it just looks like a little crystal ball without having facets. And it's also a little off to the side, but it's okay. It's just me. Yeah, isn't that pretty? I love this whole foil concept. I think it's so cool.
It's so big.
And let me just show you my other hand. This one I switched it up a little. And excuse the cut on my finger here. It's like right on the bend, so it keeps like reopening. Very painful, but it's okay. At least my fingers look cute, even if they don't feel cute. But yeah.
What do I choose?
I don't know. Which one do you like better? Now that you've seen both on the hand. Yeah. So cute. I love them. Anyways, this is probably my favorite set I've made so far. Yep. That's all. Alright. See you guys next time. Bye.